Hi and welcome. Today we are playing tug of war between these all cars. We will see that which vehicle is the strongest. This green excavator or this motor car or this blue excavator. Maybe this yellow bulldozer. So let's begin with these motors car. We will see which one is powerful. Let's start the show. 3, 2, 1, begin. The blue car wins. Impressive. Now can you guess it that which of these two vehicles will win? Let's see if you guess it right. Start the drag race. And the mini dumper wins the race. Easy peasy. Now let's find out which one of these two dumpers are the strongest. The green with 4 tires or the yellow with 6 tires. Let's pray for the green dumper because the yellow has 6 tires. Start the race. So the yellow dumper wins the drag race, which means that is the strongest. Now we will see that can this dumper beat that bulldozer in drag race. What do you think? I don't think so. Start the race. As expected, Bulldozer wins the race so easily. Now let's put the Bulldozer with Excavator. We will see if Bulldozer can beat Excavator too in a drag race. So, 3, 2, 1, start! And the blue excavator wins the race. It must be because it is heavy. Now let's test that blue excavator with more heavy and more big green excavator. Begin the drag race, boys. Well, that was clear and the green excavator wins. Well, that was because the green excavator is more big and more heavy. But what if we put a dumper with the blue excavator against the green excavator together? Can they beat the green excavator? Let's start. The green excavator wins. Subscribe for more. Bye.